One of the many storage sheds at Higashi Bankin. Oh, hello. Is that a Skyline Wagon? Okay, now I am excited. What the effing what? I just Statesman. I feel like a right a-hole. I just rocked up at this place. Oh, there it is. The Rotary. Freaking. But this one, good memories. Absolutely good memories. That's an update. 911SC. Rooted. Okay, people. Shenanigans. I've just driven from Tosu to Kagoshima for one reason and one reason only. Oh, to finish my drink. Haven't seen evidence of the Statesman DeVille online for many, many years. Is it still here? We're gonna find out. Fingers crossed. If it's not, I won't be devastated. Much. I see cars though. Hey. I just saw the HQ Statesman face, people. It's still here. Oh my god. Why aren't I going directly to it? I think I need a bathroom. Okay, people. First, Isuzu Asuka. The General Motors J platform, I believe. Boom. Statesman DeVille. It's been too long. I have visited here twice before. But it's time for another visit, people. It says 246 were produced, and to my knowledge, this is the only one still in existence. Now, I'm not including Chevrolet 350s or freaking Australian Holden HQs. I'm talking Isuzu Statesman DeVilles, people. The ones that were sold new through Japan's Isuzu stores in partnership with GMH. One in existence. There's a JAF badge, people. Of course there bloody is. It's JDM as. We're losing air. That is not cool. Absolutely not cool. Also, I see there is a jack holding the weight of the world on its shoulders there. God almighty, I love this car so hard. This has been the source of like the meaning of my life for so long, like hunting these down. And there it is, people. Love it. People. So satisfying. So good. Let's see what other adventures I can get up to. Near here is a yard full of old cars, I think. Hope so. Bro, what the actual F? That is crazy. I think I know that car, damn it. That is cool as heck, people. Mitsubishi Jeep. Anyway, just trust me. One behind it. And a freaking El Presidente. VIP Sovereign. Hey, wicked. Hey. Oh, nice wheels, hello. That's a wagon too. Delica. I feel like a right a-hole. I just rocked up at this place. I had been here before many, many years ago, and there are so many old cars here. And I threw some little snacks at him from my part of the world. Just a couple of cars, people, because we got to move on, but a Hino Contessa, which is rusty as. There are more cars here, which we've totally seen here before. But this one I don't recall. This one, Daihatsu, whatever it is, that is cool as heck, and the patina is gold. Oh, people, I'm loving this. Loving this a lot. That is amazing. Anyway, but I'm actually going to move on real quickly. Okay, no more hanging around. On to the next place. And good morning. I slept real well in my Live Max hotel. Really nice, actually. I'm shaking. I'm about to get into my car. I spot this out of the corner of my eye. What the effing what? God damn, I have dreamed of seeing such a car. That is incredible. It's got all the bits on it. Oh, I'm back. Sorry, some dude walked past. I'm just blown away. Absolutely blown away. I did see one that was probably a bit questionable, but this one looks to be of the era, complete-ish, incredible. And now we are going to and have arrived at Higashi Bankin. Okay, check it out. One of the many storage sheds at Higashi Bankin. I was staring at this car from the next building. I'm obsessed with it. It's got a great look about it. And it's reminded me of Ozzy Zor, his artwork, of which I got a picture of a statesman. It's got his sort of aesthetic, has it not? Does it not? I forget English. Early E20 series grille, looking amazing. The green from my last vantage point inside the room, I thought that was a bit of paint, but clearly not. He's got some tape on there, and it is absolutely incredible. Obviously a work in progress, sort of pieced together like a plastic model kit, you know what I'm saying? And do you not remember this one from a few years back? Wow. That sort of broke the internet many years ago. I remember seeing that all over the place. It's incredible. What's going on here? Oh, there it is. The Rotary freaking Kenmeri. Love that car. Oh my God. Lotus. Aha. So good. So much to see. So much to see. But this one, good memories. Absolutely good memories. When I heard this rumble out of the garage, it just was bone shaking. Incredible. There's cars everywhere, people, and inside here is another section of his collection. Publica pickup. Incredible. Anyway, the trip to Kagoshima has been spectacular. And the wildness continues, people. I'm at another location. It's hilarious. We got rusty huckos. That's a screwdriver handle. No one taught you how to do that, did they? Back in MacGyver school. That's a short nose hucko. Nissan 1500. That's is it a Prince-derived 4-cylinder that made its way into things like Skyline vans and the shorter nose variants. This one here, as I drove past with Mr. Higashi, he goes, "Oh, I think David Beckham owned one of those." I go, "I don't know, buddy." Cerberus. Did someone say panel gap? I know there's a good reason. It doesn't even bother me. TVR. What does that stand for? Tom Vorkenshaw? Well, I'm still a bit high tension, as they say. I do sound like a dickhead. Savannah RX7. Let's get to the other side so the sun is a bit more forgiving. Look at that. That's going to pop, see? There we go. RX7. It does say GT on the back. Interior is just full of plastic and whatnot, people. We've got a Nardi sports steering wheel. That's cool. We've got those things. No engine. SA22C engine, of course, was, everyone knows, doesn't say. 12A? Sorry, people. I don't know. I just don't know. 12A, 13V, 12A? I'm not sure. Anyway, This one here has got me excited because it's a generation of Corona I don't often see, and it's of the mega effing rare body style. The 4-door liftback, or is it a 5-door? I don't know how they actually class it. However, we've got some big rubbery spongy bumpers. We've got the quad square headlights. We've got rust. We've got dropped off. I mean, see, people would say, Daniel, sell me those. And I was like, it's not mine. Not mine to sell, but they do exist. Lift back, says right there. Gloria 4-door. Shout out to Mark Hooker, Barrel Brothers.
Caps! We're doing cat work.
Which we might
people,
just...
caps!
And that one says Hoshino Racing. Impulse center cap. Automatic transmission. And let's just... Oops. Okay. Now I am excited, and thank you to everyone who stuck with this video, because you're in for some incredible content. I just said goodbye to the Higashi family. I received a gift which I will treasure forever, and just lovely people. But what the heck is going to happen now? There is a ton to look at here. Oh, hello. Me and Mr. Higashi, we went for ramen. But as we drove there, he said, oh, I've got another shed. This is it. And I saw this glass, and I thought, hello, I'm in for something special here. Skyline. Clearly we got signs of repair and terrible repair. I just spent the last, 30 minutes having a coffee with the dude, and we were looking at some content creators, in particular a couple in Australia, Jay Duka, and also Not Even. He was loving the work that they do. He was saying in Japan, like the skills of repair and replacement, remaking from scratch panels, and like it's gone from Japan, you know what I mean? But meanwhile, Mr. Not Even is like restoring this Cosmo and doing it so bloody well. And the work that Jay does, it was just blown away. That Porsche is rooted, as we say in Australia. Porsche 911 SC, rooted. It rooted. Oh, hello, S13. Shell. Okay. Speedstar. However, I'm excited to see an intact rear quarter, if you know what I'm saying. And it looks like 2 rear quarters, so that is exciting. Buttermere. Okay. Wow, that's very... Is that coffee grinds? That's incredible. And we've got a Skyline GT, an S54 GT. Let's just check the bonnet, under the bonnet. There's your engine. Big old crusty G7 6-cylinder Prince engine. Triple Weber carburetors. Oh, it's got that old car smell, people. It's got 3 gazillion 400 657. So many kilometers on it. I'm excited. You're excited. Look at that, people. I'm just pumped. It's just been a great day. That's an update. KE70 Corolla, or is it an AE70? But then I see that it's got a 3AG. Oops, edit. A 4AGE, and it's an AE70. There's no question it's an AE70, but that looks like a 4AGE. Tell me I'm wrong, people. So someone has excitedly ran this around the streets, people. The wheels are looking slightly chunky. Look at that Nissan Laurel. The hubcaps is what got me excited. The mud flaps. Look at that. Pillarless 4-door. I'll get to that in a sec. RS Watanabe. There we go. Oh, well, I was not expecting the car to have infrastructure. What's going on? Now, look at this one. This one's had a bit of a bingle, people. The boot lid is rather rooted. Gee, that's light as a feather too. Oh, it's sprung. It's sprung, so, you know, whatever. It's not going to keep the rain out, that's for sure. And there's a better look at the Mark II. And that's really flared out. Ridiculous. Not really, a lot. Yeah, okay. They're not taking any prisoners. What is that? Wait a sec, people. Is this a R32 GTR? Okay, sure, but I was expecting some sort of other thing, which I won't say now. The engine has been retired. And there you go, people. It's been another winning video from Wasabi Cars. Thank you very much, everyone. It's been an absolute joy today. Love yous all. Take it easy. Bye-bye.